We will get the wafers from the cylinder at first. Please arrange every wafer in order. There are 8 wafers, 5, 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 3. Key biddings are shown in the figure. Click Search. Key blank, input KK12, select ID 1418. Click Input, then input the bidding for space 8 to 1. Fix the original key by tip alignment on the jaw, shown in the figure. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Select 2.0 mm cutter. Then click Cut to start cutting. Cutting is done. Please clean the shavings on the jaw. Fix other side of key blank on the jaw. Then click Cut to start cutting. All cutting is done. Please clean the shavings and test. The new key works well.